This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a scatter plot graph in Google Sheets. A scatter plot graph is useful for comparing two different sets of data or multiple points of data in order to find outliers, correlations, and things like that. And here I have a list of study hours and a list of test scores. So if I want to create a scatter plot with that, what you do is you highlight the entire table, including the headers, then you select Insert, then you select Chart. Google Sheets will automatically choose a chart type based on the data in your table. And in this case, it chose the scatter chart. But in the event that it does not choose that for you, what you do is in the chart editor that will appear when you insert the chart is you want to go to Setup, and then in Chart Type, select your chart. So if the scatter chart is not selected, so for instance, if it gave you a column chart instead, you would just click on chart type and then select scatter chart. From there, you can customize it using all of the options available in the chart editor. So this video shows you how to insert a scatter plot chart in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.